Since the invention of computers or machines, their capability to perform various tasks went on growing exponentially. Humans have developed the power of computer systems in terms of their diverse working domains, their increasing speed, and reducing size with respect to time. My name is Sayyid Tani Zali, and today I am presenting on the future of artificial intelligence. So let's move forward. The agenda of today's presentation is Introduction to Artificial Intelligence, then Future of AI, difference between human and machine intelligence, impact of artificial intelligence, AI, and future of privacy. Let's start with the introduction. According to the father of artificial intelligence, John McCarthy, he says it is the science and engineering of making intelligent machines, especially intelligent computer programs. Artificial intelligence is a way of making a computer controlled robot, or a software think intelligently in the similar manner the intelligent human thinks. AI is accomplished by studying how human brain thinks and how human learn, decide and work while trying to solve a problem, and then using the outcomes of this study as the basis of developing intelligent software and systems. A lot of visionaries like Stephen Hawking, Elon Musk, and others have predicted that AI could be dangerous. If machines started thinking better than humans, then where would humans be? We have the power to diffuse what we have created. What we need to know is where to draw the line. AI includes machine learning as well as deep learning. There has been significant progress in both fields. On one hand, machine learning algorithms are helping many businesses evolve, and on the other hand, speech recognition, image processing techniques, and fingerprint patterns are taking the world by storm. We use gadgets that are intelligent and makes our everyday tasks easy. For example, Alexa can remind you about your daily appointments, keep a check on your grocery list, play your favorite music when you need, read news, and even play some brain games. It is like human companion, but not a human. Let's move forward towards the philosophy and goals of artificial intelligence. While exploiting the power of the computer systems, the curiosity of human led him to wonder, a machine can think and behave like humans do. Thus, the development of AI started with the intention of creating similar intelligence in machines that we find and regard high in humans. The goals of AI are to create expert systems, which means the systems which exhibit intelligent behavior, learn, demonstrate, explain, and advise its users. And the other one is to implement human intelligence in machine, creating systems that understand, think, learn, and behave like humans. Now, moving forward towards the future of artificial intelligence, the main aspect of this presentation, like what the future beholds, to understand what the future of artificial intelligence is, we first have to understand, like, we should know the current enhancements and state of AI as of today. The human brain is complex and different people think in different ways. There are learners, reasoners, visionaries, and linguists. Regarding learners, we are not born with the capability to make choices. We learn by experience. Moving towards reasoners, reasoning and logic are what makes each human different and human brain complex. Sometimes the reasoning is simple and follows a traditional approach, but it varies for different scenarios. Visionaries combining the power of learning and reasoning. Visionaries are able to give the power to machine to be able to think and perceive, to make decisions and predict. Linguists, for a machine to interact with human, it should be able to talk just like human beings do. As humans, we learn faster, process things faster, even with less data. However, machines load needs loads of data to infer anything useful. This could change in future though. Let us look at each of subfields of artificial intelligence, their current state, and what can be expected in the future from each of us. Uh, let's talk about machine learning. The ultimate aim of machine learning is to make machine able that it could make decisions without human intervention. Google search engine is the biggest and well-known example of this. An extension to machine learning, deep learning can solve more complex problems and work on a lot of data to create new business scenarios. Self-driving cars, computer vision, face recognition are some great examples of deep learning. Virtual assistants like Alexa, Siri are already changing the way people do everyday tasks. Robotics engineers are constantly thinking of ways to create robots who behave like humans and they can interact like humans. They are working on that. Robotics has the power to transform our future in more than one way. It is contributing in education, like humanoid robots are helping students learn at their own pace and make learning personalized, and in many other fields, just like home, cooking, in offices, in healthcare, and much more. Let's move forward towards the difference. The difference between human and machine intelligence is human are those who perceive by patterns, whereas the machines perceive by set of rules and data. Human stores and recall information by patterns. Machine do it by searching algorithms. Now, moving towards the impact of artificial intelligence, we can see the impact of artificial intelligence is everywhere. Some sectors are at the start of their AI journey, others are just traveling. Both have a long way to go. Companies spending nearly 20 billion collective dollars on AI products and services annually. Tech giants like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, and even the universities, uh, they are making AI more prominent part of their respective curricula. Regardless, the impact artificial intelligence is having on our present day lives is hard to ignore. In transportation, we can see the idea of, and it is almost implemented, the self-driven cars, and in some time, after some time, the autonomous cars will one day ferry us from one place to another place. In manufacturing, AI-powered robots work alongside humans to perform a limited range of tasks like assembly and stacking. In healthcare, diseases are more quickly and accurately diagnosed through artificial intelligence. In education, textbooks are digitized with the help of AI. In media, journalism is harnessing AI too and will continue to benefit from it. And as we know that in customer services, the speech recognition systems is like Alexa and other can work as well. Like we all know Google has made an AI assistant that can place human-like calls too. That is a great achievement and example. And it can proceed furthermore in future. Now let's move forward towards the AI and future of privacy. AI is also inherently adept at utilizing large data sets for analysis and is arguably the only way to process big data in a reasonable amount of time. Finally, an AI can perform the designated task without supervision, which greatly improves analysis efficiency. These characteristics of AI enable it to affect privacy in a number of different ways, such as data exploitation, identification and tracking, prediction. Like AI can utilize sophisticated machine learning algorithms to infer or predict sensitive information from non-sensitive, forms of data. Like for instance, someone's keyboard typing patterns can utilize to reduce their emotional states such as confidence, sadness, and anxiety, and much more. The main thing is we became more reliant on digital technology in our daily lives. The potential for exploitation will only increase, obviously. The digital technologies such as AI have made substantial contributions to many areas of our lives. The vast quantities of information that we are able to gather and analyze through the use of these tools allow us to tackle social ills that previously had no solutions. Unfortunately, these technologies can also be used against us by various social actors, from individuals to corporations to government agencies. Our loss of privacy is just one example of how technologies such as AI can work to our detriment. However, defend ourselves from exploitation, we can save ourselves by those that wield them with malicious intent. During a talk in Belgium, Cook expounded on his concern. He said, if implemented responsibly, AI can benefit society. And for sure, it will if it is implemented responsibly. So that is all from my side. Thank you so much.